put around the word princess. I'm gonna put a touch of glue on the jewel. And I'm gonna place it down around the word princess. I'm gonna do the other side. Little dab of glue. I'm gonna place it on this side, you guys. Okay. So I got my jewels glued down on there. Okay. Now I do have, sorry about that. Camera's falling, you guys. This little bow that I made right here. And I think I'm gonna put it at the top up here by the collar. So I'm gonna glue it down. Put my dab of glue on there. Okay, there's the bow. Now I also have these little snowmen, so foam snowmen. So I think I'm gonna put some of these on there. And there's big ones, little ones. Let's try some big ones. Maybe I'll put big one right here. So these stick already. No need for me to put glue on these because they stick to the fleece sweater. And they're not gonna move. So I got one snowman down. Okay. Let's put one right here under the word princess. And then I'll put another big one. Let's see. I'm going to put another big one over in this corner of the sweater. There we go. And let's see if we have any room for the little ones. Get this glue gun out the way. Okay. So I think I'm going to put some little ones down here. Another little one. A little one up in the corner. Right there. Okay. And I think those are all the snowmen that I'm going to put on there. So you guys. Okay. Now, I'm going to see if my frozen pictures are dry. And they are. They're dry. They're shiny and ready to be put on in their spot. So first picture is of Elsa and Anna, and I'm going to put them see here. I'm gonna glue it on the snowflake up here, you guys. So I'm gonna just put some glue. Picture. I'm gonna stick it on the snowflake. And I'm gonna do the same for this snowflake. Except Ola is gonna be on this side. Okay, so I got my pictures glued down. Okay, you guys, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I have some iridescent snow that I had since last year. I saved it, and I think I bought it from Hobby Lobby. But I'm going to try to take my adhesive, and I'm going to try to put snow under on this sweater in different places. So let's see how that goes. So I might want my snow down at the bottom of the sweater, along the bottom. So let's see if I could push my sweater up so you guys can see. Okay. So I'm going to shake this up. Spray, and hopefully it takes. So I'm going to spray my sweater across. Try to spray it really good so I don't have any problems with the snow sticking. I'm going to take some snow and I'm going to lightly sprinkle it on there. I'm going to try to cover it really good. And I'm just going to take my finger and pat it down. So I got my snow at the bottom of the sweater, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it dry and see how much of it's stuck to the sweater. And I will be back to show you guys the finish. Okay, you guys, so the snow did stick to the sweater. And here is my final results of the Frozen theme ugly Christmas sweater. And it turned out good, you guys. So my niece is gonna love this. Give you guys one more look. My snowflakes. Frozen pictures, the bows, the jewels I put on there, the snowman. There's another Olaf on the snowflake. The little pom-poms. Another Christmas bow. Snowman. Foam snowman. Foam snowflakes. More pom-poms. Little plastic candy canes. And the iridescent snow, you guys. And I did it all the way across the bottom. So, oh, in the little bow I made. So, you guys, if my niece puts on this sweater, I will make sure that I grab a picture and put it up for you guys on the video. So, like I say, I will party with you guys next time. And you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. My channel is unique. My channel is fun. And I enjoy what I do. So, I will party with you guys next time. Bye. You say what? I don't care what they say. Remember, when Jesus is in the mix, the plan never fails. Keep doing it in front of the haters and the naysayers. Remember, don't give up. Your setback is a comeback.